Maintaining a stable power grid is one of the most critical challenges in large industrial complexes. Electricity demand changes continuously as production units start, stop, and adjust their operating conditions, creating constant fluctuations across the network. This tool helps operators maintain grid stability in real time. The platform continuously monitors grid frequency, power demand, and generation capacity, using AI to predict system imbalances before they impact operations. It analyzes changing operating conditions and determines the optimal actions required to keep the electrical network stable. In facilities where multiple energy sources are available, the system intelligently coordinates backup generation and balancing resources to compensate for sudden changes in demand. While this demonstration uses fuel oil as the balancing mechanism, the same approach can be applied to gas, solar, coal, nuclear, battery storage, and other power generation assets. Rather than relying on manual intervention, the platform continuously recommends or automatically executes control actions to maintain the desired operating frequency and ensure uninterrupted power delivery. As operating conditions evolve, the system adjusts generation strategies dynamically, helping operators respond to fluctuations with greater speed and precision. The result is a decision support and automation platform that improves grid reliability, reduces operational risk, optimizes energy utilization, and ensures stable power for industrial facilities operating under constantly changing demand conditions. Discover our AI capabilities, global industry experience, and over 100 deployed solutions. Contact us for a deeper discussion.